The main aim of this project is for children to gather an understanding of financial responsibility. We believe that gaining such knowledge at an early age is beneficial, as this knowledge will be carried with them for the rest of their lives. We'd also like to highlight the long-term effects that some of the decisions that they will be making at an early stage in their lives could impact the course of one's life. Throughout this game, we'll also be introducing concepts of social security benefits such as pensions and the need for daily budgeting. We'll also be discussing other important terms such as taxes and the children allowance. As a solution to this problem, we have created the game Money Monsters, which makes use of the character of Nugget, which can be seen there on the screen. We'll be taking into account the health and the happiness and the money and the energy as highlighted on the screen. The environment is interactable, as one can see the door, the sofa and the television are interactable, and with every interactable object there will be a decision prompt. At the bottom of the screen we can see the user interface, which incorporates the inventory, the store, the hardware store, the phone, the information and the settings. At the top right of the screen we can see the age, as the monster will be getting older with every passing day. The game is based on a life simulation, and therefore we'll be seeing events that highlight one's life incorporated into this game. First decision that the monster will get to make is whether he would like to further his education or not. Furthering his education will increase the probability of getting a better job. As we said before, the environment is interactive, therefore clicking on the objects in the environment will enable the monster to interact with the environment. This will be achieved at the expense of energy. There's also events that are incorporated into the game, and therefore the monster can actually get bonuses, promotions, and he also can get fired. In the case that he gets fired, he can again get a new job. This game incorporates unique artwork with the children's tastes in mind, therefore will make it more interesting for the children. The game incorporates a store, which is actually divided into 3 different sections, which are vehicles, entertainment and food. Buying these will have an effect on the health and happiness of the monster. Some will provide health and some will provide happiness, some provide energy and some will actually decrease the health, the happiness and the energy. Selects all that is required from the store. They will go to the bill, where one can actually edit, cancel or actually pay the bill. The items that will be bought will go to the inventory, which is once again divided into 3 different sections, where are the vehicles, the entertainment and the food. In the inventory, the monster can be able to actually use or actually sell the items that is in the inventory.
The user can change their monster's home by clicking on the construction store, which brings up the following UI. There's 3 possible houses the user can buy up front or pay for by year. Upon selecting another house, the backgrounds of the room change. The user can also choose to add a children's room to their house, which is a necessary requirement if they'd like to adopt future monsters. We have included a mini menu in the game where the user can change game settings whilst playing. Players are able to build a family for Nugget. Once you meet Raisin, she'll occasionally visit your house. You are then provided with the option to marry Raisin, and she'll permanently reside at your home. After purchasing a child's room, the player is given the choice to adopt up to 2 monsters from the options listed on the phone. The monsters will then appear in the kid's bedroom after being adopted. The game is targeted to teach children budgeting and financial skills and concepts. Players can open the guidebook for budgeting advice or simple explanations on certain financial concepts such as income tax, as well as any unclear game concepts. When Nugget chooses the sleep option, the user will be presented with an overview of the yearly income gains and expenses. The balance will indicate the amount of money Nugget gains in the year. These values can be changed depending on family relations, housing costs, and whether the user has went to work the previous year. Example of the yearly overview of Nugget when having 2 kids. The costings show the amount of money needed to provide for the children. On the other hand, the allowance is the adoption bonus given by the government. When Nugget hits age 60, he retires and the following UI appears showing the performance of the player throughout the game. The player's performance is evaluated based on the amount of money they were able to save for their retirement plan, the type of housing they own, the amount of relations they created, and their average health and happiness. For future improvements, we plan on creating a Maltese version of the game and adding more interactions, artwork, and animations. We also plan on including more financial concepts such as implementing a bank UI where the user can deposit money, put money aside for retirement, as well as take loans. We also think adding a more interactive tutorial when starting the game would be helpful.